To transfer funds from your Chime account to Coinbase, follow these steps. Linking Chime to Coinbase. Log into Coinbase. Open the Coinbase app or visit coinbase.com and sign in. Access payment methods. Tap your profile icon, go to settings, then select payment methods. Add the payment method. Choose add the payment method and select bank account. Link Chime account. Enter your Chime account details. Coinbase uses Play to verify bank accounts, which is compatible with Chime. Verify account. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Transferring funds. Initiate transfer. In Coinbase, navigate to buy or sell, select deposit, and choose your Chime link bank account. Enter amount. Specify the amount you wish to transfer. Confirm transfer. Review the details and confirm the transaction. Processing times. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers available for eligible accounts, allowing immediate deposits.